Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. As a parent, I know that the only way my kids are going to stay out in the snow is if their hands stay warm. And that's why we chose these gloves from RIGWARL. These gloves spent so much time in the snow. These were constantly exposed to moisture, but her hands stayed dry. I love that these are not overly thick so that she does have freedom of movement. It's not always easy to get your bindings clipped in if you can't move your fingers, so these were great. She has very petite hands and these fit her really well. They are the size extra small, and a little bonus feature that they have is this little clip to keep the gloves together, because you know how easy it is for gloves to get separated once you put them into storage. So now I know as long as we clip them, we will always have the right hand and the left hand together. Overall, we were happy with the performance of these gloves, and that's our point of view.